Oh yes.
That's a nasty way to go.
I think we should call that monster Dan.
Yeah. Looks like Mr. Furry is hungry.
No, we called him Dan, didn't we?
Oh yeah, Dan. But he doesn't have glasses.
Yeah, I know, because he's wearing his contacts.
Oh,
It's Ox!
without your timely arrival,
It sounds just like Dan as well.
but certain.
Glad to help you.
Thanks. We are happy.
Oh yeah, perfect timing. Just we fucking finished killing everyone, you lazy shits.
Quickly, the doors are open.
Come quickly, the doors are open!
I have a pointy hat.
Here we must.
Ask for your home, Belaram.
No, lady. It will be
No, lady.
while friends' lives yet hang in the balance. I will await your return. It may be that I can prevent reinforcements from following you into the tower.
Fucking hell. It's just how it appears.
May fortune favor you all.
Fucking mega derp. Funny videos. Oh my god. No lady.
May fortune favor you all.
Oh
May fortune favor you all.
no lady. Oh my, needs to be a meme. No lady. Oh, it's even funnier for me because you've got an echo. So I hear you cacking yourself 3 times over. Oh my god.
No, I love the fact that, you know, the human people, well, they're not the human, but the people that are people were talking to each other, and then just all of a sudden you see this bird that looks like a stoner, or that looks like it's completely high, just go, no lady!
It's face! No lady. Brilliant.
Stop me!
They are not alone.
Of course she would butt him.
Fornos means nothing. You haven't won anything here.
Push him off the edge.
He's escaping!
We cannot hope to follow him now.
But I can!
Oh yes, of course. Brilliant. I bet this bird is actually just the size of a pigeon and it's just really high.
This is no natural storm!
Did you ever see Aladdin?
No.
Oh, okay. Because there's a bird like that in Aladdin.
Longer see him.
Brilliant.
Oh, of course he didn't follow him properly. See, this is the thing I hate about these, like, fantasy things. It's just
It is no use.
the acting is so bad as well.
Yes, but you cannot be blamed. It was bold of you to go after him alone.
Oh, I've lost your connection again.